This is going to be the demo for my blog website. Here you could just kind of see the landing page that displays right now all of the most recent articles that I've written. The way that this is being fetched right now is a GraphQL query that is going to be querying the entries that I have in Contentful. And right now I have a limit set that it always only gets the five most recent articles that I've written. At the bottom of it, you can see a Bootstrap button that'll link you to the rest of the articles that can be found on the blog view. And as you scroll down, you can just see like a variety of different articles that I've written that could fit different criteria, whether it's technical stuff, fitness, book reviews, mental health, or career stuff. I have this handy filter right here that is pretty user friendly. A person can just click it, and let's say they just only want to see things about books, they can click that, and then it gets rendered pretty easily. Same thing for career stuff, same thing for mental health stuff. Pretty intuitive to use, and if for whatever reason they want to render the rest of the books, they can just, or not books, but the rest of the blogs, they can just click the see all blogs button and see all of the blogs again. For the individual blog view, you can literally just click the title of the blog, and Next.js is pretty much lightning fast. So all of this stuff gets rendered really quickly. We have the picture, the primary picture of the blog, in addition to all of the main text. So paragraphs, headings, horizontal lines, anything that you can think of. This entire project was built in Next.js, which, if you don't know, that's pretty much a server-side JavaScript framework that you can use on top of React.js, which pretty much makes it easier for you to produce full stack web applications that are not only, very aesthetically pleasing to see, but also extremely performant. I didn't really think much about search engine optimization for this project, but mainly because it's just a leisure project. But in the case that you do want to build any type of full stack web application that is optimized for search engine results and everything, Next.js is probably going to be one of the technologies to keep your eyes on. This website is, as you can see, deployed through Vercel, which is just a lightweight thing that Next.js automatically provides. This time, I didn't really want to worry about a lot of the configuration stuff that comes with having to deploy a web application through a cloud provider like AWS. So I pretty much just kind of offloaded that to the folks at Vercel with Next.js. Now, in terms of the heavy technical stuff that's happening here, again, a lot of our main queries are, of course, querying to get the all of the blog posts from Contentful. We also have a few queries about getting the five most recent blogs, and I think that might honestly be it. I don't think there's anything else really happening. We do have a webhook that's connected to Contentful, such that every time I produce a new blog, so in this case, the most recent blog that I wrote was a review of the Women, Race, and Class book by Angela Davis. Once a new blog is produced, I just send a post request to the URL that Vercel provides for me to do a deploy webhook, or to a deploy hook URL, excuse me. And once that's done, the newest blogs are now visible on the web application. So that's also just another quick tip, or something that becomes a lot more useful when you deploy using a service like Vercel. All of that stuff just becomes a lot easier. You don't have to worry about managing your own pipelines or anything like that. I also have links here at the bottom. So this footer links to my personal website, where if you're looking at this demo, hopefully you've seen it either on my YouTube channel or on this personal website. And for the footer, it's also links to my LinkedIn. So yeah, this is a really fun application to build. I definitely learned a lot. If you're viewing this on a laptop, it's really cool. I personally think that it looks even better on mobile, especially if you have an iPhone. So if you have a second, definitely make sure you go through and look at it through there as well. Other than that, I appreciate you for stopping by, looking at this demo, and giving my website a look. All right, have a good one.